This fan is an early model fan with this port. It goes a rubber hose up to the bottom of the air box. It had some pits and stuff, dark spots, so I cleaned it with this aluminum brightener. It's only like $6 a bottle at Napa. I have the fan supported with a socket stuck in the bottom hole where this bearing goes, and another socket on top that is large enough to go around the outside diameter of that bearing, and I'm pressing it in. Put the spacer in and then put the other bearing on top and press that bearing in. And before you press it in all the way, you probably want to make sure that spacer in the center is centered. This one's pretty nice. Alright, I started it in, but I also found out that this shaft from a brake booster for the sedan and the coupe, the 72 style, is a perfect guide pin for that bushing in the middle, and then it's a perfect guide pin for the it's going to hold that together. How much fun that is. Just go until it stops. You have to support the center of the fan so it doesn't push through the plastic. And you also want to inspect your pulleys. This one here on the right side has kind of a razor blade edge. So both edges should be about the same. This one's better than this one, but it's not perfect, but it's gonna have to work. I got the pulley part way on. Just started it before I press it on. And I got this solid bar of steel I'm gonna put underneath the steel part of the fan blade here so it doesn't hurt the fan. You just press it on until it stops. So it's done. I don't want to go any farther. And there's a little shield that goes on here. I'm going to see if I can find one. I got a bunch of used ones, but I might have a gold zinc one around. I'll put on there. There it is, I found one. Fan shield. It's probably got the wrong bolts in it. I don't remember what they're supposed to have from 1970. It's been a long time since I've had a 1970 fan on anything. Here's how they sound before I take them apart. This is for the 1970 600 sedan. It's got new Nachi Japanese bearings in it, sealed two sides.